Hi everyone, this is Poi Dog with the Poicast, giving you a little bit of a dev update on the game I've been working on. It was Noah's Playground, and it has been changed to Noah's Galaxy, or Noah's Galaxy Arcade. The reason being is that I had to find a theme. Things were getting a little out of control. I started really getting lost in the side-by-side game. It was getting a little nutty. So what I decided to do was kind of back off and refocus. And it's real easy to do. I mean, you can see here the title still says Noah's Playground, but if you look in the background, it's Noah's Galaxy Arcade. So just for that little correction there, it's still very much in prototype stage. As you can see, I'm starting to incorporate the vision I had um, originally for the portals and stuff, and being in a space station, and you jettison in and out of this space station to go to these different games and stuff, the bigger games. I do have uh, I have first person view now. This is something that I worked on the first person view for quite a while, got it really nice, and I like the way the controls feel and everything. And to not use it kind of made me crazy. So I decided to reincorporate it and put it back in the game, or put it into the game. You still have third person view, so those that enjoy the third person view definitely can still play with that. But as you can see now, here I'll jump down here. We have actual portals. This one doesn't lead anywhere at the moment, but yeah, each portal now will transport you. There will be cutscenes and stuff like that to kind of embellish on the transition a little bit. But as you can see, we got updated the side by side and everything, which I'm gonna update one more time because like I said, I'm going with a full on space theme. So these are gonna be kind of like hovercraft with rockets and stuff on them. Pretty much going to be looking like a side by side. What you see there, I'm just going to restructure the bottom where the wheels go, and put like jets or something spacey on it. But you go to each portal now. You have the once again the first person view. I decided to not do terrain. The idea with this game now will be, as you enter the side by side or the outdoor events, it's going to be a rally instead. And this course I've had set up for a while now, but this course here will change. The layout will change. It'll be a long form run, and it'll be timed like a rally. So you'll have your timer start as soon as you pass through the green gate. I am doing wonderful. Let me. You know what? I can't be doing this. I can't be doing that. I gotta flex. I gotta flex a little bit. That was terrible. But anyway, jump in, hit the green flag. Your timer starts, and once your timer starts, you can you basically will have a longer, much longer course than what we got here. This is all, once again, it's all prototype, just testing functionality and making sure everything works, and that the car responds the way I want it to. 1793, nice. Anyway, jump out of there, and as you can see, going back to the portal will look like this. So you just touch that, you come back to the main base or space station. The other level will be a cityscape. Right now, it's once again, it's very much in prototype stage. This was my other racing style level, but I decided to just make a like a city crawler. Have different buildings and stuff. As you can see, there's a lot of blocks just in place to kind of show off where the idea of this part of the game is going to go. I haven't figured out a solid game loop yet for this, but I will come up with something. I know shouldn't take too long, but yeah, this was before. I don't know if you remember, I had the Formula One car going around the little track. Well, the little track is still here. I do plan on putting lap times on this one as well. No racing as of yet, man. I'm new to programming and game development and stuff like that, so it's really just above my head as far as getting more than one person going on there and racing, actual battling and stuff. So we'll go back to the lobby, and the third thing that I've added is space travel. I just did this. I just solidified it today, so I don't have a level for it yet. But I decided to let you fly around the outside of the base station and just kind of check out the controls. The controls are basically, you roll left, roll right, up, down to increase that roll. I do have uh, the throttle and air brakes, I guess you could say, on the left thumbstick. So you push up to go faster, push down to go slower. You can actually go in reverse too if you hold it long enough. Reverse isn't fast, but it's enough to kind of get you out of a little bit of a mess you get yourself into. But yeah, you do have yaw, which you can just hold the R and B buttons on the controller. I have not really set this one up for a keyboard either. Keyboard is going to be a big pain in the butt in the end because I really like how this game plays with a controller. So we'll see. We'll see how much attention I'll be able to put into the first person controls. But or not first person controls, but the keyboard and mouse controls. Everything else is on. I'm using a Xbox gamepad. So, but there you go, guys. Just a quick update. I do have a game loop I'm ready to start designing for this particular part of the game, so we'll see how that works. But yeah, if you want to go back into the lobby, it's pretty simple. Just drive back into the portal. Oh, there we go. Hey, I gotta fix that. Got my collision or my area detection just below that collision point, so I'm gonna have to raise it up a little bit. So as soon as you touch this portal, you end up back into the station. But yeah, there you go, guys. I do plan on actually being able to change music and stuff like that here. I have a whole DJ booth area, dance area that I want to build up. Then I'm going to get some NPCs and stuff walking around. But overall, the gist of the game is coming together. I have one more portal to work on, and yeah, that's going to be I have the idea. I don't know if I can pull it just yet, but yeah, we got one more left to go. After that, it'll be pretty much building up all the levels. So there's a solid game loop in each one, and making some more arcade games. I think I believe I've shown this already. But yeah, up on this level here, if you walk around and see if I can find one, because I only have one so far, and that one I have a lot of work on that one to do too. But I'm thinking I'm gonna start doing some 2D games as well. But this level here, as you can see, this machine's here. I'll have machines, I don't think like really close, but lined up on the inside wall here. A bunch of little mini games and stuff like that to play. You jump into that. And yeah, I believe I've showed this one already. But yeah, this is going to be like a speed run for 2 player. I'll put some obstacles and some coins to collect, and whoever has the best time and the most coins wins, kind of thing. But there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and yeah, yeah. Hopefully, I'll have a demo coming soon. I'm thinking within the next couple months, I should have some kind of demo so I can get a vibe check on the game and see if it's worth continuing to pursue in the way that I'm pursuing it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and yeah, I'll talk to you all later. Aloha, and yeah, take care.